Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Bleskiver pan is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of cookware you can have in your kitchen, capable of searing, sautéing, and even baking with remarkable ease, making it a true workhorse for any home chef looking to elevate their culinary creations and simplify their cooking process. Number 5. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender QB3001SS. Experience the ultimate blending power with its robust 700-watt motor. It effortlessly crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients, making it perfect for smoothies, shakes, and even resort-style frozen drinks. Unlock the full potential of your ingredients. This blender extracts hidden vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables, ensuring you get the most out of every blend. Don't let its compact size fool you. This blender fits perfectly on any countertop and offers intuitive controls for effortless operation. It's your ideal companion for daily shakes and smoothies. Create your perfect drink directly in the single-serve cup. Simply attach the spout lid and take your delicious creation with you wherever you go. It's blending made easy for your busy lifestyle. Enjoy your blended creations without the worry of cleanup. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, offering convenience and peace of mind. It's designed to simplify your life and your kitchen. This package includes a powerful 700-watt motor base, blade assembly, 2 16 ounces, Nutri Ninja cups, and 2 spout lids. Everything you need to start blending is right here. What we like. This personal blender is perfect for those who want quick, nutritious drinks on the go. Its powerful motor crushes ice and extracts nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables. If you're looking for a convenient way to make smoothies and shakes anytime, anywhere, this is the one for you. What people say. It blends great and is easy to clean. Great for 1 or 2 servings instead of a big one. Easy to store and doesn't take up much space. Doesn't leak. No twist mechanic needed here, just put the tumbler on the base and push down. This has been game-changing for my elderly family member, allowing her to be self-sufficient when grinding up her food. I can also confirm it grinds up anything meat, veggies, etc. as fine as you would like. The Ninja Fit takes up minimal counter space, making it an ideal choice for those with limited kitchen real estate. But don't let its size fool you, this blender packs a punch when it comes to performance. The Ninja Fit whips up a perfectly blended smoothie in no time. Its powerful motor effortlessly pulverizes fruits, veggies, and ice, resulting in a smooth, creamy concoction that rivals those from pricier blenders. Number 4. Stock your home 9x13 disposable aluminum pans, 30-pack. Get your barbecue started with these versatile pans. They're perfect for baking, grilling, roasting, and preserving your favorite foods. You can even use them for convenient takeout and delivery orders. Made from premium, recyclable aluminum, these pans make cleanup a breeze. Simply toss them when you're finished, making them an eco-friendly choice for any occasion. This value pack includes 30 disposable aluminum pans, offering a great solution for all your cooking and storage needs. These premium pans are not only eco-friendly but also dishwasher, oven, and freezer safe. Enjoy quality and convenience in your kitchen. Each pan measures 12.5 inches in length, 10.25 inches in width, and 2.5 inches in height, providing ample space for your culinary creations. What we like. These disposable foil pans are ideal for parties, BBQs, and catering. They offer a convenient way to cook, store, and serve food without the hassle of cleanup. If you need a cost-effective solution for large gatherings or meal prep, this bulk pack is an excellent choice. What people say. They are inexpensive and preform well in my smokers. Easy cleanup after roasting chicken on the grill. Enough room for baking or grilling 4 chicken thighs and 2 large potatoes cut up. Can use to bake in the oven too. Sturdy, great size, and make cleanup super easy. Number 3. Misen 5-ply stainless steel 10 frying pan. Introducing the Misen 5-ply stainless steel frying pan, a professional-grade cookware designed for versatility. It's perfect for all stovetops, including induction, and is also dishwasher and oven safe. This 10-inch skillet is engineered with 5 layers of stainless steel and aluminum. This construction ensures fast, even heating and superior heat retention, eliminating hot spots for perfect cooking every time. Designed to withstand high temperatures, it's oven safe up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit and built to resist warping. You can confidently sear, sauté, and finish your dishes in the oven. Enjoy more space to cook with its generous cooking surface, offering 20% more room than many competitors. This allows you to cook without crowding your ingredients. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its sealed edges and smooth surface. It's designed for a lifetime of use, whether you choose to hand wash or place it in the dishwasher. It's compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. The ergonomic handle stays cool and comfortable, even during high heat cooking. What we like. This frying pan is built for serious home cooks, offering exceptional heat distribution and retention. Its robust construction ensures it won't warp, making it suitable for high heat searing and oven finishing. If you value durability and even cooking performance for a variety of dishes, this pan is a worthwhile investment. What people say. Solid construction. Easy to clean. Heats evenly and holds heat well. This pan was built to last and does not disappoint event after the years I've owned it. This stainless steel pan actually lives up to what is advertised. It actually cooks evenly, and even if there is a food residue on it after cooking, I fill it with water and then the food comes off it very easily. This is a very capable pan, particularly for the money. If you're looking for a high-quality pan with even heat distribution but aren't ready to pay the high-end prices, then this is hard to beat. Number 2. StarBlue Electric Takoyaki Maker. Enjoy the convenience of a compact and lightweight design. It measures just 9 by 9 by 3.5 inches and weighs only 700 grams, making it easy to store anywhere. Built to last with a thick aluminum and HDPE body, this appliance is sturdy and durable. Its heat-resistant outer body and strong aluminum ensure it withstands regular use. Whip up to 18 delicious Japanese takoyaki simultaneously. This allows you and your family to enjoy them together without any delay. Cooking is a breeze with its non-stick surface. You can easily prepare your favorite dishes without worrying about food sticking, making your cooking experience more enjoyable. Cleaning up is simple after you're done cooking. Just use a non-abrasive sponge and dish soap for a quick and easy clean. What we like. This electric maker is perfect for anyone who loves Japanese snacks or wants to try making octopus balls. It heats evenly and has a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleaning. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-use appliance to create delicious treats for family and friends, this is a great option. What people say. Cooks perfectly and the non-stick surface is easy to clean after use. The takoyaki maker can cook a wide array of similar foods for the balls. Those include everything from shrimp balls, veggie balls, and even mac and cheese balls. The non-stick coating on this is amazing and so easy to clean. Number 1. Electric Non-Stick Ebelskiver Maker. Create 7 perfect octopus balls or donuts at once with this amazing baker. Its design ensures even heat distribution for consistently delicious results every time. Enjoy your treats without the hassle of scrubbing. The non-stick surface makes cleanup quick and easy, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations. This versatile maker is perfect for more than just Danish pancakes. Experiment with donut holes, cake pops, and other delightful dessert puffs. Baking has never been simpler. With an easy-to-use on-off switch, you can start creating delicious treats in no time. Looking for a unique gift? This is a fun and thoughtful present for anyone who loves to bake and explore new dessert recipes. What we like. This electric baker is fantastic for creating small, delightful treats like Danish pancakes or donut holes. Its non-stick surface makes cooking and cleanup incredibly simple. If you enjoy baking unique desserts and want a user-friendly appliance that delivers consistent results, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The non-stick surface of the baker is exceptional, ensuring that each Ebelskiver turns out perfectly golden brown and evenly cooked. The compact design doesn't take up much counter space, and the electric operation eliminates the need for stovetop cooking. Works great, cleans easy, and Ebelskiver recipe in English were amazing, tried them all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.